I haven't made a video in a minute, and I was like, you know what? No one's home. Maybe I should do something. And I've seen those videos where it's like ChatGPT decides what I'm gonna do with my life for a day or something. But like, I'm not gonna do that. I think I'm gonna go to a trail and just walk around and like just listen to a podcast. Because I watched this guy, I forget his YouTube name. It's like Leo something. But he's like this very like muscular, like muscle T kind of dude. And he does like these like self-help videos. They're kind of like podcasty. And he's talking about being alone. And as you may have seen on my previous videos, I talk about loneliness as a motif here. And oh my god, Mimi just knocked over my clementine. Excuse you. But you know, he was saying that maybe it's like a gift from the universe, or it's a time that the universe is imposing on you because you're not really gonna have any other time like this in your life to discover yourself and to be alone and not be tainted by other people's energy, even if it's good people. But it's a lot of like internal stuff to build. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go for a walk, but not a walk around my neighborhood because I don't want to do that. Because the idea of like getting in my car and going to a trail like kind of drains me. But I feel like it's just what I'm gonna have to do. I don't really want to spend money either, so I was like, I could go to thrift. I could thrift, but I don't want to spend money. So I'm gonna do free things. And one of those free things is going to a trail. So get ready with me. So look at this. I decided to go to a trail. And some of these, there's like two connecting trails. So this is one that has an old mill, and that's what we're in right now. I should really find out the year that it was built, but it's old, as you can see. And right now you're in like a little crevice of like an old window. It's very pretty. It's like kind of post-apocalyptic. I feel like I'm in like a really old-timey movie, or like The Last of Us. And I guess there wasn't any floor because it's just dirt and grass and plants. So I guess, I don't know if there was an old floor here, if this was the basement, or I don't know. My hair looks so long. Don't know what the stuff on the wall means or says, but it looks cool. So hopefully positive messages. So pretty, the stone. There's lots of bugs all around here. Don't love that. You can sit out on the top. I guess you can't see the drop. There's a bird right there. Quality's so bad. See how that tree is leaning? I forget the disease, but that thing makes the trees turn white and then they die and they start to lean.